how to connect your GameSir G7 SE to your Xbox. So first, you're gonna go ahead and take a look at the things you get once you get your controller. So you have all of these over here, a manual, some stickers and whatever. You're just gonna need this, the USB-C cable. So for everything else, you just can scratch those since the cable is pretty much what you only need. Now from there, you just go ahead and plug in the USB-C cable into your controller. Now the color is different, but the process is pretty much just the same. You plug it into the top of your SE controller like so, and for the USB side, of course, you're gonna have to plug it into your Xbox. So your Xbox should have some USB ports in the front. It's being covered by the controller, but it's gonna look something like this over here. That's the bottom right compartment for the USB port. You just plug in the USB side for the cable, this one, and there's also some USB ports at the back of the Xbox. You can try it as well over there. But once that's done, you can press the Xbox or the home button, which is this button right here. So press the Xbox button on the controller to power it on, and if it does connect properly, the controller light should stay on instead of blinking. Then you can test it on the Xbox home screen, move the joystick or the D-pad and check if you can control the Xbox menu. You can also open a game, of course, and test the buttons, the triggers as well, the back buttons, the stuff if you want to see if they work properly. But if you want to, you can also use the GameSir Nexus if you want customization. So install the GameSir Nexus app on your Xbox if you want to remap the buttons, adjust the sticks or triggers, or just update firmware. If the controller doesn't work, you can try another USB port or even reconnect the cable or restart the Xbox itself. Anyways, hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.